Texas Civil Justice League, and you are for House Bill 44. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning, Mr. Chairman and members. My name is Lisa Kaufman, and I'm testifying today on behalf of the Texas Civil Justice League in favor of House Bill 44. I, along with Steve and Amy Bresnan, on behalf of Texans Campaign for Mothers, were the primary drafters of this bill with Chairman Guerin and his staff. First, let me start by thanking Chairman Guerin and his staff for working with us to ensure that pregnant women who experience pregnancy complications will receive necessary medical care in a timely manner. As stated before, this language in this bill was heavily negotiated between the medical community and the pro-life community. These include the Texas Campaign for Mothers, the Texas Civil Justice League, the Texas Medical Association, the Texas Hospital Association, Texas Right to Life, Texas Alliance for Life, Texans for Life Committee, Texas Catholic Conference of Bishops, and the Human Coalition. So let's talk about what House Bill 44 does. By way of background, Texas has 4 primary abortion statutes. Each was enacted at different times in history, and each uses slightly different language for provisions that are substantially the same. This has led to confusion among the medical community, directly affecting the care provided to pregnant women. House Bill 44 clearly defines what constitutes a medical emergency and then clearly states that a medical emergency is an exception to our state's general abortion ban. A definition of a medical emergency occurs when there is a threat to the life of the mother or a threat to her major bodily function. Making this determination is done by a physician using reasonable medical judgment. That is a standard of care used in all medical cases. This same language is now repeated across the abortion statutes, so there is no longer confusion on what constitutes a medical emergency, and doctors will have confidence to act in a timely manner. This bill also clarifies that in the case of a medical emergency, physicians and hospitals that perform or permitted pregnancy termination will no longer be subject to civil and criminal penalties, occupation, licensure revocation, or a private right of action. There's 2 other significant parts, which are the continuing legal education and the continuing medical education, which will ensure that both doctors and lawyers in this area of practice are well informed by the changes the bill makes. I'm happy to answer any questions.
Thank you.